Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to see how much time you spent on the YouTube app. To see the time you spent on the YouTube app, first open up the YouTube app. Next, tap on your profile photo at the top right. Then from this menu, select Time Watched. Here at the top, you can see a chart where it shows you the last 7 days of your watch time. At the top, it gives you an average of your time watched within the 7 days. If you look down below, you'll see how much time you have watched today, and below that, the total of 7 days. And that is how to see how much time you have spent on the YouTube app. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.